Good day everyone, I'm Danusha Anapurupan Rajakumaran. My metric number is 2200480. Today I'm going to discuss about a current issue that's happening around the world. I will specifically talk about the issue in Malaysia. As we all know that it's a world pandemic time around the world. So, I will talk about the vaccination issues among the Malaysian citizens. As we know, many citizens in Malaysia are not bothered to get vaccinated. It is because many of them does not exactly know the importance of getting vaccinated, and some didn't know the way to register themselves to get vaccinated. Based on these issues, now I will talk about the reasons of the issues and how to overcome it. Okay, these are my points based on the fishbone diagram. It has 6 components in this, which is people, method, measurement, material, environment and machine. Without further delay, I will start with first component, which is people. Malaysian citizens, because they are going to get vaccinated, and Malaysian government, including the health ministry department, because they will be handling this vaccination progress. These are the major people whom involved in this matter. Secondly, method. The first method is organized campaigns at rural areas about the importance of getting vaccinated and ways of registering themselves for the vaccination. This is due to many people in the rural area doesn't know the importance of vaccines and the ways of getting it. So, this will definitely help them out. Then, government can also post in social media such as news or Facebook and Instagram pages regarding the importance of vaccination and ways to registering themselves. This might make more citizens to get vaccinated more confidently. Thirdly, measurement, which includes the amount of people getting vaccinated among the Malaysian citizens. The other one is total amount of citizens that not getting vaccinated. The fourth component is material. We will be using templates about the vaccines during the campaigns at rural areas. Furthermore, we will be using internet undoubtedly. We will post the information in social media. We are also using internet for the vaccines registration website. Then the environment. As all of us know, the current environment in the entire world, not only in Malaysia, is pandemic. It is a world pandemic now. Lastly, the final component is machine. We will be using the injection needles for the vaccination, and then we will also use the vaccines registration website. These are the analysis I made through this fishbone diagram method. Now we will see the SWOT analysis about this issue. The strength is COVID cases and percentage of people dying due to COVID will reduce immensely as the amount of citizens being vaccinated increases. Being vaccinated also will avoid severe impact and deaths if we are affected by COVID. Secondly, weaknesses. High cost for the vaccination program at rural areas. As we know, we have to do many facilities and use many materials throughout the campaigns. Then, it is quite hard to maintain social distancing during the campaigns. It's because of the crowd might gather, which is dangerous, and the frontliners and volunteers that involved in the organization of the campaign might have to help the senior citizens or disabled people during the campaigns. The third component is opportunities. Everyone in Malaysia will be vaccinated, then we can even be a COVID-free country very soon, just as New Zealand and Australia now. The final one is threats. The first thing is side effects of the COVID vaccine. This is the main thing that people are scared to get vaccinated. Because in other countries, there are cases that people died just because they get vaccinated. But so far in Malaysia, there is no such cases, and the side effects that vaccinated people are going through is just minor things. Besides that, we can still get affected by COVID even though we are vaccinated. But yes, the impact of it will not be severe until we have to be hospitalized and use ventilators or causes death. Okay, that's all from me regarding the vaccination issues in our country. Good day and thank you.